That's recording. Hey, Christmas time.
Yeah, happy Christmas, man. Oh yes, it's gonna be a disco. Do you think you're going? No, don't do it. No, please. You're fucking crazy. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay, now get up. Come on. So now look at me. I am like this, and you're naked. So now, how do you feel?
I just feel some strange things on my foot.
Yeah, strange feeling.
Yeah, they're like getting cold or something like that.